So our biggest motivation to join the working group was to have direct influence on the future of Jakarta EE. It gives us power to influence the roadmap, and it also helps us, it also influences our roadmap and gives us an opportunity to collaborate with other vendors in the Java enterprise space.
Fujitsu has been deeply involved in the server-side Java technology, and we also provide some J2E or Java EE compliant technology. And when the transition of Java EE from JCP to Eclipse, our primary motivation is to ensure our customer use the existing Java application by supporting the ongoing Jakarta EE technology. That is the primary motivation.
So one of the biggest values that we get from being part of the working group is being able to influence the future of enterprise Java, the future of Jakarta EE. And we also really appreciate the collaboration that we gain from being part of the working group. So that's collaboration with the vendors, with other vendors, collaboration with Eclipse Foundation and other committers and community members. We have access to roadmap planning, and we can influence the roadmap both for Jakarta EE and for our products, because they influence each other. And we can also get feedback from the users and find out what actually is there that people need, that companies, organizations need for enterprise Java, so that we can work on it and move Jakarta EE and enterprise Java forward.
One of the significant reasons why Java has been successful in enterprise field is standardization and compatibility. So this remains true even after the transition from JCP to Eclipse Foundation. And the value lies on the fact that Eclipse Foundation established the process in a vendor-neutral way to create a specification. So that is a value. And another value is TCK. TCK has become open source in Eclipse Foundation, so we can easily access the TCK. So that is another value.
So being part of Jakarta EE working group has direct influence on the Payara server and Payara micro roadmap, because we always aim to be officially certified and compatible with the most recent Jakarta EE releases. So this is always part of our roadmap, to make sure that as soon as possible Payara server and Payara micro get official certification with the recent Jakarta EE release.
The release cadence of Jakarta EE is not as stable as that of Java SE, but the release cycle of Jakarta EE becomes shorter than the era of Java EE. So that allows us to bring the new technology to our customer more timely fashion.
So for organizations that are considering joining the working group, the Jakarta EE working group, I would say if you want to actually have a real influence on where the technology is going, if you really care as an organization about enterprise Java future, you should become a member and you should join the working group.
In Jakarta, the participating vendor collaborate to create the most industry advanced specification, so that you can use safely this specification, because you need not rely on the single specific vendor. So that is a good motivation. And becoming the member of Jakarta EE, so you can directly feedback your feedback to the Jakarta EE community. We launched the Jakarta EE user group in Japan a couple of months ago. And so far we have around 100 members, and we have some study session every 2 months. And actually there is strong expectation for Jakarta EE. But there are some feedback from the member that is we have lack of localized technological documentation. That is we must address to move forward.